Welcome to our channel, where we simplify your digital sales journey with easy-to-follow guides. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify your digital sales journey with easy-to-follow guides. Today, we're diving into a straightforward, professional, step-by-step guide on how to log into your Payhip dashboard quickly and efficiently. Payhip is a powerful platform for creators and entrepreneurs to sell digital products, and accessing your dashboard is the first essential step to manage your sales and products effectively. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Payhip website by typing www.payhip.com in the address bar. Once on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. You will be directed to the login page, where you need to enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Make sure your credentials are accurate to avoid login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there is a Forgot Password link right below the password field. Clicking this will guide you through resetting your password via your email. After entering your credentials, simply press the Login button to access your dashboard. Upon successful login, you'll land on your Payhip dashboard, where you can view your sales, upload new products, manage existing listings, and access various analytics to help grow your business. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication from your account settings to protect your dashboard from unauthorized access. That's the quick and easy way to log into your Payhip dashboard and start managing your online sales with confidence. Remember, having secure and easy access to your dashboard is key to your success as a digital entrepreneur.